as ancient as the sands of time. Get ready for a sensual workout.
Grab your toes and lift your chest. Long spine as you tilt forward. Lengthen spine and breathe. Open hips. Lift up, long spine. Legs open. Prepare arms. Left arm reaches to the side. Reach. Stretch. And reach up. Alternate. Stretch opposite arm. Lengthen the side. Lift up. Close legs. Bend knees. Cross ankles. Dig toes into the floor. From crouch position, roll up to standing. Float arms. And stretch. Alternate arms. Reach one up and then the other. Continue. Reach both arms up. Open legs to straddle position. Tilt forward, long spine. Palms to floor, lift head. Now drop head. Lengthen spine. Lift up. Flat spine. Rotate wrists. Bend knees. Lift up. Straighten legs. Rotate wrists. A popular move in belly dance. Lift up. And again, plie, soften knees. Once more. Rotate wrists. Walk feet to parallel. Roll shoulders. Arms lift up. Head drops down. Arms down. Lift chest. And repeat. Arms up. Head down. Lift chest. Arms out. Left arm over. Tilt for a stretch. And alternate. Tilt. Return to standing. Arms swing up from the sides, cross wrists, top of your head. Reach arms up. Long spine, tilt forward. Look up. Drop head. Hold toes. Stretch. Relax neck and breathe. Reach up, long spine. Arms to ceiling. Left hand cups head. Tilt. Stretch neck. Other side. Cup head like Manon. Stretch neck. Return to center. Flamenco arms. And repeat. Swing arms up. Cross wrists. And now you're warmed up. Get ready to learn some belly dance moves. The moves we'll learn next are shoulder shimmies, hip rotations, and cut turns. Let's begin in home pose. and prepare to learn the shoulder shimmy. Left arm up. Anchor, elbow and palm, isolate shoulder. Bring it front and back. And again, front, back. Change to the other side. Keep your chest lifted. Elbow, palm, anchored. Let's pick up the pace, changing to the opposite side, front and back. Just the left shoulder moving. Alternate. Bring the shoulder forward, back, forward, back. Bring both arms up. Let's have some fun with this. Shoulder shimmy. As one goes forward, opposite goes back. Now get ready. Let's pick up the tempo. Shimmy a little faster with your shoulders. Sink. This is neutral pose. Soften the knees, tuck your pelvis, lift your chest, and relax your shoulders. Prepare now. Left leg, hip rotation. Turn the toe in. Keep the knees bent. Push that hip forward. Continue to push forward. Turning on the ball of your foot. Opposite side. Notice as the foot pushes in, knees remain bent, hip moves forward. And now we're preparing to change the direction of the hip, to go backwards. Foot opens up, knees bend, and the hip drops back. Just allow it to drop back. Notice the foot as it opens. Opens, arch faces forward. Try the opposite side. And just drop your hip back. Notice foot, knee, hip. Now we take the hip forward, back, forward, and back. Use the pad of your foot, bent knee, to move the hip forward and back, forward, back, a little faster. Rubbing the ball of the foot into the ground. Knee bent. Try the opposite side slowly, forward and back. Forward and back, and a little quicker. Rotating your hip forward and back, from foot, bent knee, up to hip. Hip rotation. Sink into your knees, tuck in your pelvis. Lift your chest, relax your shoulders. Get ready for a cut turn, left hip. Push forward with your hip. Push into the ball of the foot, knee is bent, and push hip forward, taking you in a circle. Opposite side now, using the ball of the foot. Bent knee, and arriving back, facing forward. Let's try it backward. Cut turn. This time the foot is opening up. Hip drops back. Opposite side. Drop the hip. L arms, one direction. And then the opposite. These are the arms we use for cut turns. Change your arms back to original direction and now push hip forward. And now drop it back. Opposite side, push the hip forward. And now back. Drop, 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 and drop. Into neutral pose, soften the knees, tuck the pelvis as you lift your chest. And relax your shoulders. And let's review. Shoulder shimmy. Sway to one side and then the other. Shimmy forward. Shimmy back. Bring one hip forward and back. Forward and back. And now push the hip forward. 3, 4. Let's go back. 2, 3, 4. Opposite side. Just rotate hip forward, back, forward, back. Arms into L shape and take 4 cut turns. And now drop. Back to home pose. Good work. Let's add a couple of moves. 1, 2, 3, hop, and hip hop. From home home pose into neutral pose. Preparation. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, a little hop. And repeat. Just on the spot, feet in parallel. Now get ready, we're going to move this onto a diagonal. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and hop. Hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. Notice the arms as they cross. And open on the hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. Come into neutral pose. Sink into your knees, tuck in your pelvis, lift the chest. And relax your shoulders. New move, hip hop. On the ball of the foot, push the hip forward. Push. Keep the knee bent as you push your hip forward. Now, back. Hip pushes back. Legs straighten slightly on the back, still pushing into the ball of your foot. Push hip back. Shortly we combine the two. Forward and back. Forward, back. Forward, back. This is called a hip hop. Change your hand frame. One hand on top of the other. Continue. Opposite side. Push hip forward. Pushing into the ball of the foot. Just the hip pushes forward. Prepare to push the hip back. Change the hand frame, open palms. And it's a strong push into the ball of the foot. And push. Changing. Get ready. Change your arm frame. It moves forward and back. One hand on top of the other. Push. With the ball of your foot, forward, back. Strong leg. Helps to push your hip forward and back. Enter into neutral pose. Tuck the pelvis and lift the chest. And relax your shoulders. Get ready. Let's travel with the hip hop. Over to the side, forward, back, forward, back, opposite direction. Push the foot in, and hip comes forward and back. Let's pick up the pace. Change arm frame. Opposite direction coming up. Enjoy pushing the hip forward and back, traveling to one side. Soften into neutral pose. Relax your shoulders. Let's review. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. And again. 1, 2, 3. Turn it on a diagonal. Here are the arms. Cross arms. Open on the hop. Push hip forward, back. Again, arm frame. Back to our 1, 2, 3 hop. Combine that with a hip hop. And again, hip hop. Repeat. Get ready to repeat and speed up. Hip hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. 4, hip hops, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's come back to home pose. Nice work. Now, let's combine these moves and dance. Here's your your chance to put together all the moves you've learned. Here's Karen starting us off with the shoulder shimmy. Tilting forward and back. Now to the hip rotation. Cut turn. Take it back. Hip rotation opposite side. Arm frames and cut turn back. Here comes the 1, 2, 3 hop. On a diagonal. Crossing arms, opening on the hop. Hip hop. Again, arm frames. One palm on top of the other. Walk again, diagonal, little faster. Hip hop. Again, opposite side, hip hop. Let's repeat. Once more. Home pose. Get ready. We're going to do this a couple of times more. A little faster. Shoulder shimmies. One side, then the other. Forward. Back. Rotate hip front. Back. Front. Back. Cut turn. Drop back. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Cut turn. Back. Relax into it. Have a little fun. Here you go. Little hop. And again. Hop. Cross the wrists. Open the arms. Hip hop. Forward. Back. Opposite side. Combine the two. And hip hop. Briskly. Hip hop. Again. Hip hop. Hop. Let's take it to the shoulders. Forward. Back. Hip front, back. Front, back. Cut turn. Couple more. Get ready. Drop back. Opposite side, hip forward, back. Again. Back. Cut turn. Push that hip around. Get ready. Drop it back. Hop. And again, little hop. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Enjoy it. Hip hop. One side, then the other. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Little hip hop. Brisker tempo. Try it again. You don't have to be perfect. Do your best. Let go and dance. Each movement flows into the next.